Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter, and we have a fun little Amazon Prime box here. I saw these things in the box on Amazon a couple days ago, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have those. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I got, because you're my friends. Let me get these other sides. Yes, because you are my friends. Okay. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. I'm doing fabulous. Okay, I'm just gonna pull these out of here. Oh, there's 3 diamond paintings here in this box, and the box is massive. I'm like, really? Did you have to do that? Okay, so we are going to start with this one. Open it up and pull it out real quick. I kind of want to keep it a secret until I get it opened and show you. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. Check this out. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you know what this is. Right? Just says diamond painting. It's a 40 by 40 centimeter. It only has 4 colors. 310, 798, 972, and 5200. I don't know what this black thing is here in the middle of this. Let me see what this is. I hope it's not like, I don't know what that is, but whatever it is under the glue. Weird. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I'm not so sure what that is. It looks like a little freaked out. I believe it's a bug that is under the glue. Oh my god. It does look like a bug. And I'm trying to get it off of this canvas without peeling any glue up. Gross. I'm not positive that it's a bug, but I think it's a bug. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some tweezers and pull that out of there. See if I can find some tweezers. Yuck. Oh, gross. Gross. Ooh. Oh, God. Maybe it's not a bug. I pray it's not a bug. I don't know what that is, but kind of looks like something that shouldn't be there. Yuck. Okay, I'm going to disinfect my pen or my tweezers. The glue is sticky. The canvas is very clear. Yeah, super clear. Obviously, there's only 4 colors, so, but look at that. So, you have to tell me in the comments. If you know what this is, tell me what this is. I mean, obviously, right? Hello. But what is this scene? I love it. Okay, so, comes with a little plain toolkit with a couple of pins so you can diamond paint with your friends. And then here are the drills. Take a look at these, shall we? If I can get it open. Okay, yeah, so we have, here's our 310, and then we have our blue color, and then we have our yellow for the couch, and then we have all of the white for the background. Lots and lots of white. The drills look fairly decent. I mean, they're round, but yeah, they look pretty decent. I don't see much trash, so that's good, right? That's good. Okay, but I love it. I'm excited, and it is a 40 by 40. I know I already said that, but yeah, this is gonna be fun. I thought that it would be a fun little snack size. Tons of color blocking, 4 colors, boom. And I love the actual picture. Like, I love it. Okay, let's move on to the next one, shall we? I'm gonna just roll this back up the way it was. Set it off to the side. And then pull the next one out. And pray that there are no bugs in this one. Okay. And there's our another little toolkit. Just one pin that time. Here are our drills. Oh, there is the other pin. It came out of the bag. Okay, look, it's also a 40 by 40, and it says, "You're my lobster." Oh my God, you're my lobster. This one only has 5 colors. Again, lots of AB, or I mean AB, lots of white. In the background, tons of color blocking. Like tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of color blocking. The whole black background is color blocking. The whole lobster is all that red color blocking. He is outlined in 310s. And then the "You're my lobster" is written in 310s. But then the little colored dots in between are just these little random blues, yellows, and then more red. Cute. I see something right here. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if it's like, maybe those are the babies of the bug. Oh God, can you see those little dots? Freaking me out. It's freaking me out. Okay. It's very sticky. Obsessed. So stinking cute. You're my lobster. Okay. Roll this one up. Set it off to the side. These drills also look really good. Packaged nicely. I like that. And then one more to go. And one more to go, one more to go, one more to go, one more to go. Like, loose at it. Okay, here's the other toolkit. Extra pin. Here's all the colors, all of the drills. Can you see all the purple? do you have any idea what all the purple means? Okay. Can you stand it? Can you stand it? Look at this. 40 by 40 as well. It has 5 colors. Oh my God. It's the little frame on the door where the peephole is. And then right in the center, don't know if you can see that or not, it says, I'll be there for you. So cute. And it's actually spelled right. You know, sometimes you never know. Sometimes things are misspelled or just not quite right. But yes, it says, I'll be there for you. Let's see if you can see the... it's not very clear. But then down at the bottom, it has Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Okay, yeah, spelled right. Friends. Very cool. Again, tons of color blocking. This is so much fun. Will this not be a fun one to like finish and then frame and then like hang on your door? Oh my God, I'm obsessed with it. So whenever I purchased this, I saw this one first on Amazon. And then whenever I clicked into this listing, you know how sometimes you can have the option, like they'll have a drop down option of like different scenes or different sizes or whatever. And so I clicked on that and there were 3 different scenes that you could choose from. This one, the lobster one, and the pivot one. So I was like, boom, 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 all 3 in my cart. And I think this one was $8.77. And the other 2, the pivot one and the lobster, were each $7.77. Free shipping, Prime. It was here in 2 days. I was like, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So anyway, obsessed. I am just absolutely obsessed. I think I think all 3 of them are going to come out really, really good. The lobster one was my least favorite, but I was like, I can't get these 2, this one and the pivot one, and not get the lobster one, because the lobster one is very significant to Friends. So anyway, yes, I'm just absolutely obsessed. And again, very sticky. Symbols are very clear, which isn't a big deal anyways, because so much color blocking, right? 5 colors. Can you stand it? Like these could be done in a day or 2. Well, probably a couple of days, but or more, give or take. I like, whenever I start color blocking, I'm just like so, but yes. So let me know in the comments what you thought. Is this just not the funnest, the most fun little Amazon diamond painting haul? Oh, so much fun. Okay, so one more time, you can view the drills. Again, look good. I'm not going to open them up because there's only 5 colors in that one. And then here's the lobster. So cute. And if you guys like have friends that are huge Friends fans, these would be so much fun to get for them. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect. This one is my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. I love it. Love it. Okay. All right, guys. I've oohed and awed enough over these, so I'm going to go disinfect my tweezers that has this, what I'm assuming is a bug, and I'm going to, I don't even have to kit these things up, literally, like there's no kitting up. You just pour them into your tray and go, you know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and link all of these in the description box below. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know though what you think of these, because they're just the cutest. If you're a Friends fan, hello. I mean, cute as cute can be, right? Look at the little lobster's eyes. You're my lobster. Okay, so Again, I'll leave all those links in the description box below. If you like this video, if you like these diamond paintings, just give me a thumbs up before you head out the door. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, ding, 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 to get notified the next time I upload another video. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'll be there for you. Okay, bye.